Unshakeable, your guide to financial freedom by Tony Robbins. Imagine living in a world full of uncertainty, where news about economic crises, stock market crashes, and financial instability appears every single day. Many people panic, make hasty decisions, and put years of hard work at risk. This is exactly what Tony Robbins addresses in his book, Unshakeable. He shows us that with the right strategies and mindset, it's possible to achieve true financial freedom without letting fear or greed dictate our choices. In this video, we're going to dive into the key lessons from this book, giving practical examples and explanations in a light and engaging way, so you can understand how to apply these principles in your own life. 1. Developing an unshakable mindset. The first essential point is cultivating an unshakable mindset. According to Tony Robbins, it's not the market that determines your financial success, but rather how you respond to its ups and downs. When the stock market falls, many people sell in panic, locking in losses. Successful investors, however, do the opposite. They stay calm, continue investing, and even take advantage of market dips to buy assets at lower prices. A classic example is Warren Buffett, who famously says, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." This perfectly captures the idea of an unshakable mindset. Instead of acting on impulse, the key is discipline and focusing on the long term. 2. Time is your greatest ally. Another crucial lesson is understanding that trying to predict the market's future is virtually impossible. Robbins explains that even the most renowned experts often fail when attempting to time the market. What truly matters is how long you stay invested. The famous saying, "Time in the market beats time in the market," is a core principle of the book. If you invest consistently over the years, taking advantage of compound interest, your wealth can grow exponentially. For example, if you invest $500 per month at an average annual return of 10%, in 20 years that investment grows to over $70,000. But if you wait 10 years to start, the result drops to less than half that amount. This shows how costly procrastination can be when it comes to investing. 3. The investor's hidden enemies. Robbins also highlights the biggest hidden enemies of financial freedom. The first is fear, which causes people to sell at the worst possible time. The second is greed, which drives many to chase get-rich-quick schemes. There are also silent enemies, fees and taxes. Many investment funds charge high management fees, which can quietly erode decades of gains. A 2% annual fee may seem small, but over 30 years it can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. This is why Robbins recommends low-cost index funds and ETFs, which efficiently track the market without draining your profits. 4. Diversification, your shield against risk. Another core lesson in the book is the importance of diversification. Robbins stresses that you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. This means not only avoiding investments in a single company, but also considering international diversification. A well-diversified portfolio includes different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate funds, and international assets. An example cited in the book is the all-weather portfolio, created by Ray Dalio. This type of portfolio is designed to withstand any economic scenario: inflation, deflation, growth, or recession. The idea is simple. No matter what happens, you always have assets that benefit from the current market conditions. 5. Protecting yourself in times of crisis. Market corrections and financial crises are inevitable. History shows that, on average, the market experiences a significant drop every 5 years. But it also shows that in every case, the market eventually recovers. The problem is that many people panic and sell their investments at the lowest point. Robbins emphasizes that those who stay calm and continue investing during these periods often reap extraordinary results in the long run. For instance, people who bought stocks after the 2008 financial crisis multiplied their wealth many times in the following years. The lesson is clear. Crises are not reasons to fear, but disguised opportunities. 6. The power of risk asymmetry. Another fascinating concept discussed by Tony Robbins is risk asymmetry. This principle involves seeking investments where the potential reward far outweighs the potential loss. Top investors always consider, if I lose, how much could I lose? If I win, how much could I gain? This simple approach can dramatically improve long-term investment outcomes. It's about protecting your capital first and letting growth happen strategically. 7. Your roadmap to financial freedom. Finally, Robbins provides a roadmap for achieving financial freedom. The first step is defining your number, how much money you need to live comfortably and independently. Next, create an investment plan that aligns with your goals and personal situation. Automating contributions, reviewing your strategy periodically, and maintaining discipline are key steps in this process. And here's an important point. Financial freedom isn't just about having enough money. It's also about emotional freedom. When you know you are on the right path, you stop worrying about every market fluctuation and start living with confidence and peace of mind. Conclusion: Unshakeable is more than just a book about investing. It's a guide to achieving both financial and emotional freedom. It reminds us that while we can't control the market, we have complete control over our choices, mindset, and discipline. By applying these principles, you can build a solid financial foundation and become truly unshakable in the face of uncertainty. If you found this video valuable and want more insights to help you grow financially and emotionally, make sure to subscribe to The Healing Vibe, hit the notification bell, and join our community of people committed to personal growth and freedom.